In a small village of Bawawalpur, when the rain began, no one felt worried. It was the monsoon season, it came every year, and it left every year. But on the fourth day, the stream broke its banks. 12-year-old Neema stood at the door, holding her little brother Bola's hand. Their parents had gone to the market early in the morning and were nowhere to be seen now. The water was slowly advancing towards the house. It first touched the garden, then covered the stairs, and was now beginning to drip inside the room. "Don't be afraid, Bola," Neema said, although her own heart was pounding loudly. She put a few clothes, a packet of biscuits, and a picture of her parents into an old plastic bag and slung it over her shoulder. Then she picked up Baba's bamboo stick from the corner and opened the back window. Outside, the water was above her knees. "We will go to the big banyan tree," Neema said. "The ground is higher there." That tree was at the edge of the village, its roots sprawling out of the ground like a shelter. Neema sat Bola on her back and stepped into the water. The current was strong, trying to knock Neema down repeatedly. But she kept moving forward, feeling her way with the stick. Along the way, plastic bottles, pieces of wood, even a dead chicken floated on the water. The air was filled with the smell of mud, filth, and soaked life. Many people were taking refuge on rooftops or in trees. A boatman called out to Neema, but his boat was already full. "I will come back," he shouted. But Neema did not wait. "Mom and Dad will meet us by the banyan tree," Neema reassured Bola. When she reached the tree, even the high ground was beginning to submerge. Neema sat Bola between two roots, wrapped her dupatta around him, and stood in the water, calling for help. Darkness had fallen. The water had now turned cold and deep. Neema curled up with Bola, holding him close, and began to mimic the lullabies her mother used to sing. The rain did not stop. But Neema did not sleep. In the morning, she heard the sound of paddles from afar. A boat. Neema raised the bamboo stick in the air and shouted, "Over here! We are here!" The boat turned. A man called out, "Two children, pull them up." Someone lifted Bola, then Neema. As soon as they sat in the boat, she was about to faint, but her hand was still gripping the plastic bag. When they reached the refugee camp, Neema looked at every face and then, "Mom, Dad." Her mother hugged her tightly, and her father lifted Bola in his arms. The three of them were crying,